I'm going to show you several functions that are the same in Excel and SQL. First, we have sum, then we'll look at average, max, min, count, and count unique or count distinct is how it's done in BigQuery. Here we have some sample data in Excel. All I have to do to sum is type in the sum function and highlight the cells that I'm interested in totaling. Same thing for average, max, and min. For count, it's a little bit trickier. If you want to count text data, you have to do count A. If you're interested in just counting numerical data, you can use regular count. You'll notice that count unique returns a smaller number than before, and that's because dog is duplicated. Here we have the same data in Google BigQuery. In order to do all of these aggregate functions, all I have to do is type in the keyword sum, average, max, and min, and then put in the column that I'm interested in performing. Google BigQuery has just one count, and this counts text or numerical data. To count unique values, I do count, parentheses, and I apply distinct. Distinct tells BigQuery we want unique values to be counted only. And here you go, the same results.